If your iPhone screen is black and it's still working, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is to forcefully restart your iPhone. So how to do this? Just press the volume up button once, then down button once, and then press and hold the right side power key until you see the Apple logo appearing on the center of the screen. So let's start. Press the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the right side key. Okay, keep it pressed, okay, until unless you see Apple logo appearing at the center of the screen. Wait for some time, keep some patience. Now once you see it, you can leave the right side power key and you have forcefully restarted your iPhone and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Fix is, we will go to the recovery mode and try to update it through iTunes or recover through iTunes. So connect your phone with the computer, either Mac or Windows computer, and open iTunes app on your Windows or Mac computer. Now after connecting it, we'll again forcefully restart the iPhone, but this time we will not leave this key if we see the Apple logo. So let's start. Press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the right side power key. Keep it pressed. Okay. Even if you see the Apple iPhone logo, do not leave this right side key. Okay, because what we want to see is the recovery mode. Wait for some time, and now when you see this icon, that means you have entered the recovery mode. Now open the iTunes app on your Windows or Mac device. Okay, and now sign in to the iTunes store. You can update or restore your phone. Okay, so click on update to update your phone, or click on restore to restore your iPhone. Okay, in this way you can recover your phone. Once your phones get restored, try updating the phone again, because this usually happens with a faulty software update. Thanks for watching. Please do like,